How to get free Xbox gift card generator codes. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Did you know that you could redeem the code using the Xbox gift card? Yes, to do this, you simply have to tap open and log in into your Xbox account and then tap on games. Once you click on the drop down menu of the games, you will see the redeem code option whereby you have to give the 25-digit code. So if you want to get free Xbox gift card, there is a gift card generator code. For that, go to another tab and type in ecards.site. It is a site to generate the code. For this, scroll down until you find the Xbox gift card. Tap on it and it will take you to another page whereby you can read the overview of the gift cards. Scroll down until you find the three options. Tap on the option that best fits you, and then it will start connecting, generating, and then the completion. On completion, you might have to verify the CAPTCHA in order to generate the whole code. Once verified, the code will be successfully generated and you can redeem it on your Microsoft Xbox now. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.